Hello everyone, welcome you back. Did you know your body has more than 37 trillion tiny units of life working together right now? Each one is a cell, a microscopic world full of activity, cooperation, and even mystery. Welcome to Igniting Curiosity in Life Science. This is Savita. So, in this video, we will explore the basics of a cell biology, what cells are, and how they are working, and why they are the foundation of all the living things. So, what is a cell? A cell is the smallest unit of life that can perform all life activities. Think of it like a tiny factory. It takes in raw materials, produces energy, and even it makes copies of itself. So, coming to the main types of a cells. There are mainly two types of cells, as you know that the prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic are very simple, like bacteria, and eukaryotes are complex, like plants and the animal cells. So next is the cell structure. So as you know that inside every cell there are so many organelles, each with a special the job. Okay, nucleus it controls the center and it also holds the DNA. Mitochondria the powerhouse which makes both the energy, and ribosomes it builds proteins. And cell membrane it protects and controls what enters or leaves the cell. Next, coming to the plant versus animal cells. So, plant and animal cells are like cousins, similar but not identical. Plant cells have a cell wall, chloroplast, and a large vacuole, okay, and giving them the structure and the power to make a food through photosynthesis. So, why we need to study cells? Understanding cells help scientists to fight against diseases. It develops water, the medicines, and even it grows tissues in the laboratory. So, every discovery in cell biology brings us closer to the understanding of our life itself. So, from bacteria to humans, every living thing starts with a cell. So, next time when you look at your reflection, so remember you are a walking universe of cells. And that's a quick look into the amazing world of cells, the true building blocks of life. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow science lovers. There is so much more to explore from DNA and genetics to evolution and the ecosystem. I am Savita, and this is Igniting Curiosity in Life Science. See you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring life. Thank you.